What's happening? What's good? Today we're looking at the markets, guys, and it's gonna be insane with what I'm looking at here in front of me. The market is moving nice. We're gonna look at US 30. We're gonna look at the dollar index, and as well, we're gonna be looking at gold, the most favorable one currently for me. But yeah, guys, without me speaking much, the purpose of this video is to just allow you guys to see how we see the markets before they happen, when they do happen, which is the process, and now the rewards after. What happens, whether we made a profit or we made a loss, how do we react towards the market in such scenes? So that's the whole purpose. That's what you'll be seeing. And guys, I know that most of you guys are still asking me till this day, even though I show you guys clearly, you guys are still asking which broker you trading with and stuff. I'll make sure that the link that is in the description box is where you can find the broker that I trade with, just so you can trade successfully with them. But for the week, guys, I hope that you guys are going to have a successful week. I just want the best for you guys, and I just want us all to be winning. So yeah, guys, make sure that you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, because there'll be super valuable content that's coming up. I'm just excited with the content that's coming up. I just need you guys to subscribe and like my videos in order to just stay up with them. But yeah, guys, let's just get on with today's video. So what's happening, guys? I want us to now quickly take a look at the markets. Obviously, I'm going to start off first with the dollar index, so we are able to understand what actually is going on with the dollar index. What can we make use of, what the dollar index is doing? So currently we can see that price, from the daily time frame, we came from it being, a major support here, support. So we're seeing that if price happens to break below here, it means that there's high chances it's going to come here before it goes up. But before that, we were seeing this buy first target here, second target here. So one thing I can see is that we came from this impulse, now correction, and the next break. So there's a high chance that we can still sell all the way up until here. And once we get here, that's when we are going to look at, what's more likely to happen, whether it's going to bounce back and go up, or whether it's going to break below this area and then come back down here. So on the 4-hour chart, one thing that you can see is, my charts are very simple. This breakout happened here impulsively, came down, and now we are in this young correction. So we're just waiting for this correction to play out, and then boom, we can take a sell coming here. And once we get here, we'd either see if price is going to break below, or if price will respect this and then go back up. But that's one thing that we're looking for when we are looking at the dollar index. So let me show you how we're going to take advantage of that. So you can simply see here on US 30 as well. So what we have going on US 30 is we've got this area being our support right here, and price came back. It given us the second support area. And one thing that I like is that it also gave us the support area supported with an engulfing candlestick. You can see this for our chart. This is an engulfing candlestick. So with this, one thing that I'm seeing here is price just continuously shooting upwards and coming all the way to here. But now, before that happens, let me just show you guys what's more likely to happen. This is the markets, guys. Anything can happen in the markets. We're not going to just say it's going up and then we buy full in. But you can see here we came from support, resistance, and now we're here, which is potential resistance. Which means that price might still see some sellers, short-term sellers, maybe some sells, whether it can come here again for a retest and then go back up, or maybe it can just go down for a head and shoulder before it goes up, or maybe it could just be respecting and then going down all the way up until somewhere around this level here, where we can take advantage of it. So currently where we at, it's a bit too tricky, so it's very advisable to be on the lookout, and most importantly to just basically just stay away from the markets, as long as you're not too sure with the direction as of yet, because why we are trying to catch such moves, so we do not want to be involved in movements whereby we are not comfortable with. So let me just come down here on gold, GBP, JPY. It's something that I'm going to be sharing with the private members. So gold, we didn't execute a trade already on it. I don't want you to be seeing this and thinking that we had a trade running. No, I was actually planning on executing a trade, but I wanted it to retest. So let me show you guys the thought process of it. So with gold on the 4-hour, so right here on the 4-hour with gold, one thing that you are seeing is price eventually just came down here on this daily support. Price printed this descending type, and then it broke above, so now we're going upwards. But with that being said, I know I managed to have separated my patterns, so now I'm looking at it from this structure here compared to this whole structure. I'm looking at it from just the structure, meaning that this is my first touch, second touch, third touch on the resistance, and first touch, second touch, on which there's a high chance the price can just come here and give us a third touch before we go upwards, or just continue going downwards. But on the 1 hour, gold is one trade that I'm actually even putting my attention onto. So on the 1 hour, one thing that I was able to spot here is that Currently, we've got this first touch, second touches here, and we're looking at sells. Even the previous week we were looking at sells, so it breaks and goes below, but instead with the news and stuff it went a bit more upwards. So now it's okay, we understand. We can see also this 1 hour candlestick is now coming up, but one thing that I'm looking for here at first is I was looking for just this buy opportunity here, so I can be able to just place a buy as soon as price retest, because here's a resistant support. As soon as price retest here, I want to buy. First target, second take profit, third take profit. That's one thing I'm looking for. So now that it's doing this, now that it's breaking below, I'll just have to manage, wait, and just basically today I might not even place any trades, because I didn't place trades at all. And I see even the setups that I was looking at now is that most of them are building up, so they're not yet ready, they're just building up. So it's just a waiting game for me to be able to just secure most of it to profits. But that's just some of the things that actually happens, and that's how in the private team we manage to wait together, so we are all able to eat whenever we happen to be in profit. Yeah, guys, so we just done now looking at the markets, we're done now looking at the charts, the price actions, all those fun things. So what's going to happen now is that we are now going to be putting in the work. What now, the only thing that's required of us now is to literally just wait for the market to give us our right setups, execute those right setups with the right risk management, and on top of that, manage and profit. We just have to manage and profit, because a trade that's properly managed, regardless of whether it's profitable or not, it's a profitable trade at the end, because why? You have followed your plan, so you have stuck with the mission that you've given yourself. Guys, I need you guys to be able to just keep it in mind that with trading, it doesn't come easy. You don't just come in and then you are. No, it doesn't happen that way. There's a lot of processes, there's risk management, there's so many things that are playing a part in order of you to become a successful trader, and that is why we are trying to help you get there. At the same time, guys, if you are looking for a broker, that I did mention in the very first section of the video, the link is down there below in the description box, so that you can trade the exact same broker that I trade, so you can get the feeling that I feel whenever I'm in the markets. At the same time, like this video, comment below, tell me what you guys are looking at for the week, and I will see you in the next YouTube video. It is your boy Desamu Tupi. Thank you so much for watching.